15, 2021. This one here I got a call from, guy's got like a paint store, and I know he's got an oil-fired boiler there. I've worked on it before. It's a Viessmann with a rear. I think it's a rear. I think it has a Beckett burner on it. Anyway, he's calling me. He's got no heat. I asked him if he had oil in the tank. He's got oil. He said he didn't run out, so I know he's got oil there because I've worked on it a bunch of times. So go over there and see what's going on. See if we're getting oil flow and see what's going on there. Can't be without heat too long in a paint store. You don't want to freeze up the paint. So we're on our way over there now, and yo, how you doing, Mama? Yo, how you doing, yo? Today's gonna be 30. A little chilly out. It's a little nipply out there. I know it is. Yeah, it's a bit nipply out today, Miss Molly. Miss Molly, it's a bit nipply out there today. You're saying they got plenty of oil, right?
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah, it's full. Is it possible that they ran out?
No.
You're saying no. Okay, we'll figure it out. Oh, the difference, right? It's on a hot lockout, it says.
Right up there?
Yeah, I gotta try to get some light on the subject here, you know? Always working in the flipping dark.
Yeah.
Even though I do some of my best work in the dark. I do some of my best work in the dark. Yeah, maybe it's a transformer. Who knows? We'll find out.
Just weird, both of them at the same time, you know what I mean?
Yeah, maybe it's out of oil. Just saying, if they ran out of oil and
Yeah.
then it came after, I mean,
Because this one, that oil tank runs this one. Then there's two oil tanks out back that run the other one.
well, let's see. All right, let's start it up. See if we got oil pressure, and we'll check for spark. See if we got spark. Could be a nozzle. We'll start it up. We'll see if we get any oil pressure there. And we'll see if we get any spark. Reset control in 3 seconds. Call for heat. We're getting spark. We're getting oil. Only 60 pounds, that don't seem like much. My gauge might be screwed up. Could be that we got no, could be, it needs to be bled. We'll try bleeding it. Doesn't seem like enough pressure.
That tank is chock full, right?
Yeah, but what I'm saying, guy, if you ran out of oil, right? If you ran out of oil,
Yeah.
it's gonna be bled. So let me try that next.
Yeah. Yeah, anyway.
They can say whatever they want. I have to check stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's not always what people say and what's reality. Sometimes two separate things here. How long has it been here? It's been been a little over a year. Let's try it again. We're getting spark. See if we're getting any oil flow. That gauge is probably not working right. Yeah, looks like it. Yeah, good oil flow. Just be shit on the head. Check the nozzle. I'm getting oil flow. Let's change the nozzle. Check the nozzle. I gotta get another gauge. Could be that pump is just should be having 100 pounds. That doesn't seem right.
On March 10th, they got 150 gallons.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is if you run out of oil, right? Yeah, it looks like the head might be bad. I'm saying if you run out of oil.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta bleed it like you're saying?
You're gonna bleed it. That's not the case. It didn't run out because I just checked it. A pump doesn't seem to be giving a good enough pressure here. I'm gonna change this nozzle first then. And then we'll get another gauge on there and check the pump pressure. Pump pressure should be 140 or so. We look a little low there. We're looking a little bit on the low side. Don't give you much room to work here, does it?
Yeah.
Not much room to work. Yeah, I don't like that. I'm gonna have to check that pump pressure. Something's not right there.
What you gotta do to?
What are you, some kind of maintenance guy?
Yeah, they own this, but we mostly do gas stations. We do gas station, come to town, just say, hey, take it off. You take it off? Yeah.
Do you need the door open?
Yes, just in case it's gonna
I have the thermostat set to go on once the boiler kicks on. I will leave the side door open.
Are we going on the side there? Okay, and I'll lock it up?
Yeah, I'll be back at like 3:15.
Okay.
I'll leave that open for you just
Yeah, okay, and then I'll call you once I'm squared away here.
Okay.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, because I usually always dealt with the other guys before.
Which one? Who?
Just the guy, the owner, I mean, the other guy that used to own the store.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
So it's somebody's new owner now?
Yeah, oh, probably 5 years? 3, 4 years?
Yeah, whatever it takes, right?
Yeah.
We gotta check that. I gotta check that pump. Something's not right with that pump. We'll figure it out. Let's see what size that is. What size is that? You said the one in the back's not working?
Yeah, one in the back's not working either.
I don't think I've ever worked on that
Really?
one. Yeah, I don't think I've ever worked on that one in the back. 125/45. That's a big nozzle. Yeah, I worked on this one. I didn't even know there was one in the back.
Huh.
That's what I say. Yeah, we can throw that in there. 110/45. Close enough.
Go through those a lot or what? Nozzles?
Yeah, go to a tunnel.
Yeah. Keep busy every day?
Me?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Busy as I want to be. Too busy means stress.
Yeah, you get that right, huh?
Ain't that the truth, right?
Yeah. Where's it get you?
What's in the back? Another oil burner?
A boil.
Another oil boiler, but it's a burner, right? Is that a whole different building?
It's attached to this.
Yeah, they never told me about that one.
Yeah.
I mean, I know I never worked on it, so.
Well,
Been on this one for years, but I never knew about the one in the back. They never said anything to me. Yeah, that's not good. It just hasn't been worked on. Probably all full of soot. Probably all choked up, you know?
yeah.
Let's see. This thing's just probably just dragging because it's... There we go. Alright, that's better. That's better. We got pressure there. That thing was just hitting.
Oh, really?
Let's try a new nozzle and see if it fires. Wow, we got a lot of pressure there. That seems a little bit high. Should be like 140, that's it. Shouldn't be any higher than that. See how high we are?
No, I can't see that. What are you?
Well, it's at 150. Let me take a little bit out and we'll see.
So you can regulate it?
Yeah, I could adjust it.
Yeah. So it looks like the last time you was here was 18, it says, I think, your card?
Well, that's me.
Yeah.
So, take a little bit out and we'll see what it says now. I could adjust it if I wanted. Let's turn it on. See what it pumps up to. Stand by. Yeah, I don't think my gauge is accurate. I gotta get another gauge. No, it's going all the way to 0. Let's try it again. Yeah, 180. I think it was like 180 on that. Thing seemed too high.
Well, what's that to 180? What is that actually?
It's just pump pressure. We don't need that much. Let's try this, see if it fires. You know we're getting spark, because I checked the spark, right? We know we're getting oil. So we'll see if it fires. Might have just been a dirty nozzle. Alright, let's try it again. See if she fires. Fired up.
That's not connected.
Oh, that's the outside air. Come back a little bit. More air. Alright, new nozzle, reset pump pressure, and good oil flow. You can hear it's not spittering, sputtering or nothing. No Viessmann. I reset the air band. I dropped the nozzle side down a little bit. You can tell it's windy. But once this water starts going hot, it's heating up now. Give it a little time. No smoke.